We had really so many good moments that is hard to remember now, but we had really really good. We went to Canada Wonderland. We have so much fun, and I remember Christmas party on Palisade, and we start to bowling, and we throw ball. It's going all around. You know, never ball before, but you know, bowling before. You know how it's. One moment I thought I'm going too with ball. It was low, and my friend Peter, he said, "No, no, no, no." I said, "I want to go." He said, "No, you cannot go." I had lots of really fun. And we had, from this kind of celebration, Christmas party, and we turned to so elegant and really nice Christmas party lately. Now when we get bigger, when it was small group people we had on Palisade, now we're getting really nice, elegant Christmas party when we feel like family.